Welcome back. Another episode of Bankroll Racing Performance. We're checking in. As you probably see, we done fast forward, we done jumped through, we done did a lot of work on this 6'8" Camaro SS Bill, getting it ready for the track and the street. Old street car, just an old street car, and that's special. As you probably see, we got different fenders on it. We put that front clip on that one. We're gonna get that one ready soon. But here what we got though, we're checking in. As you see, we got a lot of the plumbing done. We're waiting on some fittings and everything to come in from Summit and everything. Unfortunately, I had made an order, placed it, and then after that at last minute I had to order some more stuff. So I got some coming UPS from Georgia, some coming United States Postal Service from Georgia, some coming FedEx and UPS from Ohio. Don't ask me why, but that's just the way they did it. Maybe because I had a last minute update 2 hours before they closed, but anyway, that's what we did. Anyway, you can probably see here, we got the racing seat out. We're doing a little insulation job, making sure everything sound deadening in. Taking the cheap way. Also work just the same. Got some Gorilla Glue spray. We have the AC duct and vent wrap. There's some old cheap stuff. You get 25 foot of this from Lowe's or Home Depot for like 16 bucks. Pretty much one roll to pretty much do the whole inside of your car. And just tighten up a lot of stuff. We pretty much gonna strip everything out and redid everything. We getting ready to rewire everything, so before I do all that, just want to make sure all the sound bed and the carpet in so I can start hiding the wires. The last part is to sit there and take all that stuff out. Now I'm hooked up with just a plate up there, but we're gonna rerun. Like I said, we're gonna rerun and reroute and redo the whole car. I pretty much got all the fuel lines and everything done. Got a car in the shop and everything. We're doing the best we can. Didn't get around one leg with dropping stuff. As you see, we took the extra fuel cell out. Got another idea. We're waiting on wires and everything. I think I'm gonna actually put knock the nicer tank there after refiguring. Gotta hook up the other battery relocation kit. Like I said, we're redoing everything. Got everything out. And put another battery over there along with this one. Like I said, we knocking a lot of stuff out. Trying to do this pretty much fast and get it done right. Don't take all day to do everything the right way. So we're gonna doing slow, but we also with a good little pace and everything. We're doing a nice, neat job. Want everything nice, neat, professional, and most of all safe. And we want it practical. We want it done the right way. We don't want this stuff thrown together. After all, this is a 6'8" Camaro, and it's also a drag-in street car. So safety is the main key, and being right and efficient. Like I said, we're not doing a real long video of this. It's just a little short check-in, going over everything that we done. Hey, we doing it. We knocking stuff out, making stuff look neat. I have rerouted a lot of stuff the way I wanted, the way professional. I left a little play in this because I'm not sure how I'm gonna have everything ran, so I don't know about that part. So I might end up cutting some off before I get done, but I'm saving that for last. But we got a little cricket there. But anyway, I gotta hook up the spark plug while I just got the boots in. I needed some insulating boots around the end, so everything MSD and stuff. But we knock it out. Just another episode of Bankroll Racing Performance. Got that right. Like I said, we knocking it out. Getting everything done. Safe, clean, neat, convenient, and right. No need to keep going back over and over again. Don't do it right the first time, make sure it's right, and that's it. Like I said, I got a bunch of parts coming in. And I also got another order from Eckler and one other place I ordered some stuff. Pretty much we're gonna try to knock this out. Like I said, my goal is to have it fine by this weekend. That's the goal is. We're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Y'all know remember old leg. But we got to start and stop, sit down for a little bit. And everything. Doctor wasn't doing it. Really. Sitting still, you know, it's kind of hard. But like I said, we're doing the best we can. And we're making this right and tight. So we're gonna get there. Slow, steady, but hey, we're doing it with a little fast pace with it, but it don't take all day to do it right. This episode checking in, guys. I appreciate you tuning in. Like I said, this is not a real long video, just something short. Just check in, see what all we got going on. You got any questions, concerns, comments? Let me know. Let me know. This is what we use the pad and the insulation now. Like I say, multi-purpose energy saving application. Around the home way. Help sound, then a lot of people use it. You ain't gotta go out and buy that high stuff if you don't want it. But you need some down there. I got the carpet kit in already. So hey, we just checking in, going over everything. Let's see what we got going on. A lot of y'all probably like, dang, he got knocked out a lot of stuff. We have. Well, I ain't gonna say no we. It been me, but we doing it. We are doing it. Trying to knock this one out so we can get on this one. The 6-day RSSS. I got the cam, lifters, intake, timing change, and some more stuff. I got the stall and everything for this one also as well. This is gonna be straight street car. Nothing too special. I gotta finish ordering the rest of the new RS stuff and everything. Them are the standard centers, but they got the conversion kit converted over. I'm a smooth firewall in this one as well. I just like the smooth firewall. A lot of y'all probably saying why do it. But hey, right now it's a desk right now, a shop desk. I gotta get around to making a shop. I gotta knock some of these parts out so I can also be able to put some of the stuff up, need more steel and everything. Got these from Harbor Freight. They had them on sale for $50. Sale ended yesterday. I thought I got the 25 feet and realized that ain't what I wanted, and I couldn't ever find a coupon. I thought I had a coupon 25 foot, and then after looking at them, I got to return it. They were asking for the 50 feet. I called it the last day, and they would get, I got two of them. So two of them should be long enough. We're gonna put one on the second beam, not the first beam over there, and we got one right there. But I think I should have got one more and put it down toward the end. But hey, we're gonna figure it out. But either I might put something else right there. I ain't for sure. That might go up and over and use it for something else, or I might just cap that one off and actually put another one down there and everything. But we're trying to knock some of this stuff out. We got a lot of clutter in the shop, basically from new stuff that need to go on cars. So hey, we're getting this stuff done. Oh, as you probably see, hey, that crate is empty. We sold the 402. The 402 is gone. So the only thing we left with now, the 454, which we got a lot of work doing it. And we got a 400 small block. We're gonna probably de-stroke it. I ain't for sure yet. Oh, I might sell it. So hey, you guys looking for a good 400 small block, it is a dirt track special. It kind of looked like it got the 350 free plug, so you wouldn't think no different. And it's the high nickel block. So hey, we're looking for 400. I might get off for it. But anyway, guys, checking in. As you see, I told you got a lot of stuff in the box. Checking in for another episode of Bankroll Racing Performance, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, drop me a line. Tell me what you think. Any input, greatly appreciate it. I thank you for tuning in, and we out.